Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I am coming on to do my second layout of the month for March 2022, and I will be using the DoubleShot kit, which is by PhotoPlay. It is so cute. Hold on, I'm adjusting my camera a little bit. It is so cute. It's called Hop to It. And we have this full sticker sheet, and I'm telling you, this bunny rabbit may be the cutest thing ever. Like ever. Okay, I have that. Guys, I still have to even print my photo. I just had to show this to you and what my plan is. So hold on. So this one right here, it is called Egg Hunt. There's, eggs. And a gorgeous stripe. Look at these bright saturated pastels. We are finally getting colors again. So excited. Then this is beautiful. It is called Spring Garden, and it is pink and lime green plaid. Like, how spring and cute is that? And the flip side has all of these great icons. There's little birds, and there are watering cans, and those look like hyacinths. I mean, daffodils. So great spring themes. We have Spring is Sprung, which has all kinds of sweet little butterflies and a gorgeous yellow and white polka dot background. Now with this, we did get a piece of Sunbeam, which is by Basil. It's textured, and 2 pieces of white cardstock. Here's one, and here is a second. And guess what, guys? As being one of the subscribers, now we get a cut file from Cut to You. We get to have the downloadable link. And for March, it is Hello Spring. And I cut it super big because I was so excited that I wanted it to be like ta-da on my page. So what I will be doing is getting my cut file out. I will be backing all of these great pieces with these gorgeous patterns in our kit and having a nice bright white cut file on top. I probably have to start making decisions. Probably this for my background. I think the white would pop so incredibly well off of it, and then I can back it with the rest of my patterns because I've got some great patterns I can back it with. So that is going to take me a hot second. I need to print out this picture of my daughter holding an Easter egg on an Easter egg hunt, and I will be back. It's going to take me a little while because I have to back the cut file. So I'll be back in your time in 1 second. Hold on. Hi guys. So I backed my whole cut file. I think it is so stinking cute. And I popped it up on a little foam. I still have to tack it down. And I matted my photos just in this pink plaid. It is incredibly cute. So I have used all the pattern papers. I wanted my daffodils to have a strong yellow, so I used the yellow cardstock that we have. And I'm going to go ahead and just pop these 2 photos up here. I think I better go ahead and look at all of this foam, guys. I think I better go ahead and tack my photo. I keep using the word tack. Attach my cut file. Yes, that's what I was saying. Down, and then I will go ahead and get my photo on. And then the only other thing I have to do, because cut files do all the work for you, is I just will have to go ahead and do some cute decorating with my sticker sheet with my little bunnies that I like so much. Hoping to be able to get some of those bunnies on. All right, that's about even. And the polka dots are in a nice line, so that lines it up for me. What I'm thinking is that I need to also pop up one of the sides of the photos because it's going to hang off a little bit. So I'm going to do that quickly, and then we'll get the photos on and then just do some decorative bits. Let me go like that. And then we will get all of these bits on. So let's see how these photos want to go on. So this is my youngest daughter, and she found an Easter egg there. And here is my oldest daughter, and they were all carrying these bags running around, gathering up eggs, and they were so cute. I think Easter egg hunts with older kids may be the cutest thing of all. Do I want it a little bit wonkier? No, because I like the look of these stripes. I am missing out on a little bit of my daffodils, but you know, we do have to put the photos on. How cute. And we can still see that it says hello, or should I go up a little bit? I think I'll go up a little bit. Go right on top of that piece. Okay, so I have those down. Now, you guys know I'm smitten with my bunnies. So what if we take a bunny? Do we want to put him right inside here? Look, he's holding little eggs. So we will go ahead and just have fun and play up that topic if we can. Ooh, I love these. Look at his little tushy. Let's see. You guys, I want to use everything, and I kind of used up a lot of my page. So, I love this. I can't wait to do another layout. I already have my title on. So, let's see. Oh, look at him. Guys, I can't. Right, I have a bunny there. I want to get a bunny right here, and I need a tiny bit of film for Mr. Bunny. Sorry about my arms going across. Need a little tiny bit because I want it to stick off of this a little bit. I mean, I don't need much at all. Like that. Like that. So this is the dealio, guys. I am just going to keep playing along, seeing which ones of these cute little bunny rabbit stickers and eggs and all that kind of stuff I can get on here. And then I think I'm going to end up just having still shots, because it's one of those things, if you have a cut file, once you do the cut file work, it comes together so quickly. I mean, look at how cute. And I'm so excited about this whole cut file idea that we have going on. Ooh, look at this, guys. I have the hunt is on, and it's a word bubble. So we can get that on there. That is super cute. Tells a bit of our story, doesn't it? Do I want to go like that? Yes. That is so cute. So it's bringing in some of that deeper green. Now, I love these florals, but I might wait on the floral bits for a spring layout. I'm really doing the Easter-y kind of vibe up. And yes, I know it means hello. I mean, it's reading hello spring, but you know what I mean. I'm doing an Easter egg thing here. So I like these cute little Easter eggs here. Let me see if I can get 3. And maybe line them up in a cute way. Do I want to do that? It's right above that one. I definitely can stick them right here. That's super cute. Okay. So I'm going to just keep seeing if I can get any other little bits on. I'm going to have still shots for you in just a moment. But this is the PhotoPlay Double Shot Kit, March 2022, and it's called Hop to It. Still shots in a second, guys. I wanted to show you my finished layout. I just popped a couple cute little bunny stickers here and there and created little cute scenes on top of my cut file. But that is my layout done with the double shot kit. And now I will put the still shots up. Thanks so much for watching.